skate, nigga.
Hey, real quick before the video start, y'all go follow us on Instagram at skate nigga. That's N-U-G-G-A-H. Nigga, not nigga. Nigga. You feel me? Go follow us on Instagram. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that notification bell so you can get updated on all the new video releases. We got a whole lot more content coming for y'all real soon. But fuck all that talking. I ain't gonna be one of them type of niggas. I ain't gonna do all the talking. So straight to the trick tip. Let's go.
Bad, I can't go outside. These niggas flexing, I know you ain't got it. I cannot help that I'm hot and I'm popping.
Y'all niggas seen that? It's a kickflip, man. We'll show y'all how to kickflip today, man. Alright, so shit, first thing first, when you wanna learn how to kickflip, you might well learn how to do an ollie first. If you can't ollie, go look up another trick tip, learn how to ollie, and then come back to this. If you got your ollies down, it's basically the exact same thing. The only difference is the foot placement, and you're gonna flick a little bit harder. I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'm gonna show you with my hand first. This would be by the standard ollie position, but for a kickflip, this front foot is gonna be doing all the flicking, so you're gonna wanna slide this back just a little bit, like kind of parallel with these bolts right now. Slide that front foot back a little bit, and it's good if you slide that back foot back into the pocket a little bit too. And when you pop, just like you would when an ollie, you're gonna pop, flick, and jump all at the same time. Except when you slide an ollie, you just stop at the nose. When you do this kickflip, you're gonna flip all the way out past the nose, right off of this corner right here. So when you pop, flick, jump, boy, gonna flip just like this. I'm gonna show you the setup with my feet, man. Just like a regular ollie setup with a kickflip. You're gonna slide that foot back a little bit, put that back foot in the pocket, pop, flick, and then when you jump, put it all together, to a kickflip. I'm gonna show you something, man. Popping the flick, the only thing you gotta do from that point is landing. Once you flick, your back foot will already be right here above the board. So just catch it with that back foot and land, and ride that bitch out. Simple as that. Once you get them down real good, you can take them off shit like the stair set. Do combos and shit. All that extra shit, man. Have fun, kick flipping, you know, and make sure you go skate, nigga.
Broken up knot, beat up my pockets, my pants full of knots. Swiping, no swiping, we slumming you out. Vinci, my feet, I'm dancing with the.
Alright, some common mistakes when you learn these kick flips. Shit, number one, the main mistake is just niggas giving up. Like, nigga be too small or some shit, legs too goddamn weak, can't flick how you want to, so they give up on the kick flip. Can't give up on it, for sure. Like, that's the main thing, you gotta keep going with it. Give it 1,000 tries and then some, you feel me, just to get that first kick flip. But the second common mistake is probably not flicking hard enough. Some folks, they might just give it a little nudge and the board only halfway flip. You're just gonna have to flick it a little bit harder and make sure you stay centered right over the board. Another mistake is sometimes the board might rock it, which means, like, you feel me, the board is kind of up instead of leveling out. That's probably just because you're not leaning far enough forward on the front leg. So if you evenly distribute your weight on both legs over the board and stay centered, the board will level itself out, you feel me? So if you're leaning back too much, the board will do this. If you're leaning too far forward, you might not even get a good pop, or the board might nose dive too much, might bounce off the ground or some shit, you feel me? That's just some things to look out for when you're doing these kick flips, you know. Other than that though, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share, all that shit, man. Share all this shit with the niggas, all the homies. Everybody go out there and skate, niggas.